Oh, I'll be out there in a minute, guys. Oh, hold on. It is just one of those crappy and cloudy days out today and rainy. It's been raining off and on all day today. It's spitting right now. So, you guys probably know that there's these Ford trucks, Ford Explorers, Ford Expeditions have common problems with their gear shifters where it's all sloppy and they don't want to start and park. Well, this thing has that issue too. My dad had to jiggle it when it was in park yesterday to get it to start and park. So, show you that right now. And this one has 253,988 miles. So, of course, everything comes on. You guys probably know what it does when it doesn't start and park. No crank, not a nothing. But to get it to start, you'd have to put it in neutral. My dad says you just have to jiggle the gear shifting. Let me try that. Oh, probably have to put it in neutral. Oh, there it goes. So it's what you have to do. Just put it in gear, put it back in park, and then it'll fire right up. But if you guys, I'm sure lots of you guys have had this issue a lot of times. And it could be, you'd go under here. It's probably just a loose screw on the gear shifter. It's a little sloppy here. As you can see, someone broke the overdrive button off, so you can't put it in overdrive. But mostly, when they don't start and park, you'd have to put it in neutral, or try this trick. Just try this, and if that doesn't work, put your foot on the brake, just put it in gear all the way down. Then, now it's not doing anything. Just try that trick, and then it'll crank. So, yeah, with 253,000, and this does have a leak in the windshield, but it's not doing anything. But yeah, this thing has that issue too. Just put it in gear all the way, a couple times maybe, and it should fire up and park. But, geez, there you go.